So the chords you're gonna need for this song are D, A, G, and E. That's the whole song is like that. There's no bridges or nothing. I'll get into the strumming pattern in a minute, but for the beginning of the song is D, A, G, E, back to G, D, and then E. Finish with the G. So he starts off the song down, 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 up, down. And then switches to the A. Back to the G now. And I hear him go like bum bum na 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 da na 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 dun dun. So on the G's he really like kind of plucks that low E. Kind of makes it sound a bit more intriguing, I guess. So he does that for a couple through the beginning of the verse. Then he goes to, he then kind of holds on the D. Then he goes to the A. I think it's the A. G, E. And then comes like the da-na, da-na-na, like the actual chorus part. Wake up and see the na-na-na-na. So it's like a chuck on like 2 and 4, but you kind of just play around with what you think sounds good. You kind of skip some strums here and there. So you could just play it's D, G, E, back to G. And then he goes back to the that whole thing. First, if you made it that far, you just did the whole song. Congratulations. But back to that like chuck part. You just want to palm it, mute it with your palm. And you kind of want to exaggerate it at first if you're not used to doing that. Down, or down, up. Get your palm on it. If you can hit your hand with it at the same time, you get like a nice sound of it. Alternately, you can go. I think that's a little bit closer to the record. Down, up, chuck, up, skip, up, down, up, skip. It's a little tricky to skip that down, but you can just, as long as your hand keeps going the whole time evenly. Like my hand just going the whole time. It really doesn't matter what you play. As long as you kind of follow the beat of the song, it's going to sound good no matter what. And he kind of pauses a little bit, same thing. There you go. Have fun with that one.